Given the quadratic equation x square minus a minus 3x minus a minus 2 is equal to 0, for what value of a will the sum of the squares of the roots be 0? Now, if the roots are alpha and beta, we want sum of the squares of the roots be 0. That means alpha square plus beta square is equal to 0. Now, this is possible only if both the roots are 0. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to 0. Hence, because this is the condition given for the given equation, we'll substitute the value of x as 0. So therefore, the equation becomes 0 square minus a minus 3 into 0 minus a minus 2 is equal to 0. So the complete thing, first two terms get 0. So we have minus a plus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, we get a is equal to 2. Hence, our answer will be none of these.